Hello and welcome to another update video here on my channel for the Nasdaq 100. The fifth wave, honestly, of our wave 3 in brackets here extended a little bit, as I said. It moved a little bit over my target area, which was defined somewhere here. I removed that from the chart. And the question is now, are we already in this fourth wave of in white here in brackets? That would consist of an ABC structure to the downside. And in my view, it could be completed, but I think it's a little bit too short, okay? And I put up the FIB time extensions, comparing the previous wave 4 for a lower degree with the higher wave 4, and we want this wave 4 normally to be a little bit longer in time. We directly, and that's very interesting, we directly finished that move of the 1 hour candle directly on the 100% time extension, which means that the move to the downside here is exact the same length or duration as this wave 4 in time, but we want normally the higher degree wave 4 to be longer in time than the lower degree wave 4. And therefore I brought up the 1.382 pip time extension and the 200 pip time extension. That means we should ideally finish this wave 4 between the 1.382 and the 200 pip time extension. That means technically, and would look at best if we are still in this correction to the downside and we get one more low. I cannot, I mean, let me go on the 15-minute time frame right now. I think that this move to the downside, I mean, it could be finished here, okay, but we did not reach minimum targets, which would be the 0.236 fib retracement of the wave 3. That was also not touched, so the probabilities are still higher to take the previous lows here, okay? That means we have one more dip to the downside, but we also have to be open, and that's why I bring up the Fibonacci retracement levels to the upside. So a direct break above the 78.6 here, in my view, would open the door for direct move higher, continuation higher in the 5 of our, now it's gone, where is it? There it is. Up, up, whoop, and two more. So that would be also the last move up. Either it has started directly now, or we get the C wave to the downside still in this higher degree wave 4. Then we have one more high to finish our circle wave 3, and then afterwards we should get the fourth wave pullback of the higher degree. Right now, if we consider that we are moving, or we got rejected at the 61.8 here, opens the door for lower prices right now, but we have to be open that the market goes up directly due to some news or something. But a healthy wave 4 pullback would be that we get a little bit of a wider wave 4 correction here. And if we go lower, I can give you a target to just measure it from the area where we are right now, okay? If the market wants to go to the 78.6, we have to be open for this. Then we have a good target would be between 100 and the 1.382 fib time extension, which would be 22,327 and 22,265. Below there, we have the 38.2 retracement at 22,240, 25, which is the optimal target for that wave 4 correction. Let's see how it's developing from here. But normally we have still time to finish this wave 4 after Thursday, so after tomorrow, at 12 p.m. UTC. Let's see if this is taken, if the market tries to get this last low here, and afterwards I do expect upside continuation from here to finish our green wave 3 and circle here, okay? For now, we have to be open for the possibility for a direct breakout to the upside, but as I said, technically it would look better with one more low and also a healthy wave 4 pullback. Good, that's just a short update for today. Let's see if the market or what the market will do here if we go directly higher, but please understand, it'll dip normally, in my view, is still due. If we don't get it, the market will go higher to finish our wave 3 here. Okay? So if I zoom back out, you can see that the move to the upside, in my view, is nearly finished here. Either we are still in this wave forward, we get one more high, and then we get our bigger pullback in green and circle wave 4 afterwards. Okay? I will bring up these targets here whenever we have a top in place here, so that we can measure exact targets for to the downside and support areas. And I think that's it for today. Have a good trading day tomorrow, and all the best for you. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.